Another example. This time, class, you're going to construct a conditional statement given a simple statement. A guitar player is a musician. Kindly use the word if and then to construct a conditional statement. Analyze first. Yes, anak, kindly construct a conditional statement. Construct a conditional statement. Add the word if and then. Yes. Very good. If you are a guitar player, then you are a musician. Medino, what is the hypothesis? Guitar player. Very good. That is the hypothesis. And what is the conclusion? You are a musician. Do you understand? Now, to get the converse, just interchange. Go. You can do it.
If you are a musician, then
Okay, very good. If you are a musician, then you are a guitar player. Now let's check if they are both true. Okay, first statement. If you are a guitar player, then you are a musician. True. Okay, pag nag-guitarist ka, ang tawag na sa'yo ay musician ka na. How about the converse? If you are a musician, then you are a guitar player. Who says true? Who says false? Why po? Anyone? Explain. Bakit? Yes, anak? Very good. Hindi lang naman guitarist ang masasabing musician. Meron ding drummers, di ba? Nagpa-piano. Okay, at marami pang iba. So, meaning, isang true, isang false, may by conditional pa? Wala po. Okay, next, another example. Vegetables are good for your health. Okay, construct if-then statement. Yes, Bautista, any idea? Vegetables are good for your health. What do you think is the if-then statement? Very good. If you eat vegetables, then it is good for your health. Based on the given, what is the hypothesis? Tuprio. What is the hypothesis? You eat vegetable. Roberta, what is the conclusion? It is good for your health. Okay, now. Sige, Kirante, what is the converse of the given statement?
If it is good for your health, then if you eat vegetables.
Okay, if it is good for your health, then you eat vegetable. That is the converse. Analyze natin ha. Let's check if they are both true. First statement, if you eat vegetable, then it is good for your health. True. How about the second statement? If it is good for your health, then you eat vegetables. Who says true? Who says false? Explain why. Yes, anak. Yes. Hindi lang naman sa pagkain ng vegetable, ikaw ay magiging healthy. Pwede kumain ng fruits, mag-exercise, matulog ng sapat. Okay? Meaning, false po ang ating converse. Now, do we have a biconditional? Okay, next, another example. This time, equation tayo. 3x plus 8 is equal to 14. Comma, x is equal to 2. Okay, tira, what is the converse of the conditional statement? If 3x plus 8 is equal to 14, comma, x is equal to 2. That is the conditional. Now, convert the given to converse. Yes, anak? Yes, then? Very good. That is the converse. If x is equal to 2, then 3x plus 8 is equal to 14. Let's check if the given statement is true. Okay, the first statement. If 3x plus 8 is equal to 14, then x is equal to 2. How to check if the given statement is true? We need to substitute the value of x. What is the value of x here? 2. So, sa Tagalog, papalitan mo si x ng ano? 2. Anong gagawin ko kay 3 at 2? This will become, so the given statement is 3x plus 8 is equal to 14. Sabi daw dyan, x is equal to 2. So, we need to change x as 2. This will become 3 times plus 8 is equal to, okay, 3 times 2, 6 plus 8. They are equal? Okay, if yes, we have a true statement. Do you understand? Yung second example natin or second statement, ano ulit yung x natin dyan? 2 pa rin. So, ito pa rin po ang lalabas. Now, they are both true. O, if yes, what is now the biconditional? Muto.
3x plus 8 equals 48 and only if x equals
Oh, that's it. 3x plus 8 is equal to 14 if and only if x is equal to 2. Question. Do you understand?